So guys, this is the box for Realme Buds Wireless Pro. There is a noise of music on, which is very rightly mentioned for these earphones, because this is a neckband earphone and it is really of a high quality. This is the box which you get with the earphone. This is a white and a yellow color box, which is very attractive. I feel the quality of the box is really nice. And let's slide it open. This is how you have to open the box. It slides. And this is what you get inside. There is a creative leaf type of a material which is created on the box, and there is a Realme Buds Wireless Pro again mentioned on this box, and there is also certain control features which are being mentioned on this leaflet, which is on the top of the box covering the earphones. So after lifting this, you are greeted with the earphones itself. So there is a label which is given over here. You just need to pick this label and you can remove the earphones. So the earphones are out. So guys, the earphones are of really high quality, and the silicone strap of the earphone, I really like the quality of this silicone strap. It has been the modules also over here is having metal inside, and the metal and silicone straps are smudged together, and which is creating a really good build for these earphones. And also the wire of the earphone, which is this yellow colored wire, that is a bit thick than the Realme wireless normal earphone. These are the Pro versions, so this is also a bit thick. And also the module over this on this side where the Realme branding is mentioned, this is actually for the battery, I suppose, and this is also of metal. So the build quality, I really loved it. And you will be getting a USB type C port over here, which is also having a lid over it. This might be for the water protection. There is a lid given, and this is a USB type C port. So the charging is supported by USB type C chargers, and it is also supporting fast charging. So that is a really good thing in this earphone. And also the module over here, which is the control unit, it is on the control unit. The charging is on the control unit. So there is a button for volume up, volume down, and there is a center button which is actually a multifunction button. If you double press this, you can go to the next track. If you triple press this, you can go to the previous track. And also for lifting up of calls and cutting calls, you can press this button, long press this button for 1 second. And also for the play and pause of the music, you can just tap this button and it will play and pause the relative music. And this button is for actually active noise cancellation. If you press it for the first time, it will activate the active noise cancellation. That means it will be cutting all the background noises. Whenever you're hearing the earphone, it will be cutting the surrounding noises, which will be giving you a better experience in terms of sealing of the sound. Like you will be not hearing any other noise. If you press it for one more time, this will be taking you to a transparency mode. That is actually there are vents on this earphones present over here, so this supports transparency. So in that case, the surrounding noises will be much amplified, and you will be also simultaneously listening to music, and also it will be keeping you alive in terms of what noises are coming from the surrounding. And there is also a third mode. If you press this button for third time, it will be taking the earphones to the normal mode. The normal mode is actually a general mode, which is actually same as if you're using a normal earphone, which is the normal Realme Buds Wireless. So these are the three modes which you can activate through this button over here. And below that there is a LED light. As you can see, I have separated the earphone, so it started. There is a magnetic on off. So when I touch the earphones back again with the magnet, it blinks red, and when I separate it, it blinks blue. So there is a LED light indication also which is present over here. And so let's move ahead. Let's see what's inside the box. You get more. So you can open this box from here. There is one more small box inside it. So there is a manual, which is a detailed manual how to use this earphone. And also there is a barcode which is mentioned over here. You can just scan this barcode on your smartphones to get the Realme Link app. Realme Link app is actually for further modifications of this earphone. You can just download that app. I'll be showing you that in the further video. And also apart from this, you get a charging cable, which is a very nice yellow colored cable this time, with Realme wireless Normal earphones you get a black color cable which is a micro USB cable, and this time they have given you a USB-C, which is not micro USB, it is USB type A to USB type C. And again this supports fast charging, so you can charge this with a fast charger if you're having that. And there are also two pair of tips, which are the earphone tips. According to the size of your ear, you can just select this, and I absolutely recommend this, because if your the sealing of the ear tips are not proper inside your ear, so you'll be not having that much of a pleasure listening to the music. So please adjust and open this and adjust it according to your ear. Whatever size, relative size your ear is having, you just use the relevant tips from this packet. It is additional provided by the Realme team over here. So this was it. This was regarding the unboxing of the Realme Buds Wireless Pro. So let's move ahead. Let's talk over this now. First of all, let me clear the doubts which everyone is having, like whether these earphones bring a good quality sound for their cost, whether it is justified to purchase this over the Realme Wireless Buds, because these are Realme Wireless Buds Pro. So I will recommend, my recommendation for these earphones are definitely you should get one, because these are having the sound quality which is much better than the Realme Wireless Buds. And the Pro version of these are coming up with major changes, like everything is being offered in this package. On the cost which they have been offered is around 3,000 rupees, which is 2,999, which is really attractive package. The actual cost of these earphones are around 5,000 rupees, which is 4,999. So you are actually getting these in the current scenario on the Realme website, and also on Amazon and Flipkart. These are being offered at 2,999, which is 3,000, and which becomes a really good package if you're going looking to go for a good sounding earphones. This is basically a neckband type of earphone, so the comfort of the neckband, which I've felt over my use for a couple of days, is that they are really comfortable. The band, the silicone strap, it is not giving any sort of skin irritation. Plus it is actually taking in sweat also. Like I've been using this for my gymming, and there is no sort of color degradation or any sort of changes in the color of this earphone from your body sweat. So this is actually sweat proof, and also it is having IPX4 certification, which is splash proof. So you can use this with some mild rain conditions also. Now coming on to the set of features which this earphone offers, there are a couple of features. Actually there is an entire package of features this earphone offers. First of all, this earphone is having a LDAC codec, which is actually a codec which has been produced by, or you can say that the production is done by Sony, and actually that is a high resolution codec, and which offers a really good high resolution sound from these earphones. And LDAC codec is actually tuned on Bluetooth 5 or 5.1, and actually this offers codec is nothing but a language which the earphone understands. It decrypts the sound coming from your device, from where you are playing the audio, that is being decrypted on this earphone through this codec. So that is actually a catalyst between the earphone and the production of the sound which is coming from your device. So it acts as a catalyst. So the maximum amount of kbps a codec can offer, the production of sound will be of that capacity, and it will be of that quality. So the higher the value, the better the sound. So LDAC codec is actually tuned for 990 kbps of data handling capacity. So the sound production from these earphones are of really high class. If you consider codecs like SBC and AAC codec, these range from 128 kbps to 320 kbps, which are, in case of general scenarios, we hear that sound on these codecs. And if you come to aptX codec, which is also a high resolution codec, it is called as aptX, and that codec produces sound to the range of around 660 kbps. So again this supports 990 kbps, which is again on a higher level. So the sound production is really nice. I am not joking. The sound which comes out from these earphones are really the best sound I've heard till date. And also apart from that, it is having an active noise cancellation. This earphones come with S1 chip, which is built in inside the earphone through Realme, and that S1 chip actually offers active noise cancellation. It suppresses the background sound, and I'm not joking, it really suppresses it, because whenever you are in a condition of driving and you are listening to this earphone or talking to someone, if you go into that active noise cancellation mode, it actually creates a vacuum inside your head. So there is no noise of the surrounding, absolutely no noise. I was actually shocked how well these are performing in terms of active noise cancellation. So this will be really good for those person who are actually doing a lot of air travels, because there is a humming sound which is produced by the plane whenever you are traveling in air. So this will be coming in really handy in that sort of a condition, and whenever you are talking to someone or hearing to music, it will actually seal your ears properly, and you can actually have a good clarity of whatever you're listening to. And plus this earphone also comes with a 22 hours large battery backup, and the battery backup is really good on this earphone because I'm using it for a couple of days. I've given it a 3 to 4 charge cycles, and on a continuous usage I've watched certain set of movies and also listened to lots of music on this earphones, so it easily lasts me around 2 days of period on a single charge. That means on my practical grounds of experience, like I have not faced anything less than 18 hours on these earphones on practical grounds. But what company states is around 22 hours. That would be on ideal condition side, plus the magnetic connect which these earpieces are giving me. uh, the S1 chip again comes in handy in that case also. Whenever you are connecting these earphones and detaching it from the magnet itself, these offer really quick connect to your whatever relevant device you are trying to connect this to. It is having a very quick connection, and within the blink of eye it connects to the device, and you can actually carry out your process whatever you're trying to do. Plus apart from that, there is a transparency mode. There is a dedicated grill which is given on this earphone, and the transparency actually does reverse of the active noise cancellation. It amplifies the sound of the surroundings, so whenever you are in a driving condition and trying to talk to someone on your call, so you can have a good conversation with the person also, and also you can keep the environment alive. In that case of transparency, it gives you the sound coming from the surroundings, so it keeps you actually live in that scene itself, and you can also carry on your conversation with the person. So that is also really a thumbs up. And this earphone comes with a big driver there. Those are around 13.6 mm, and the more the number of drivers which are present in this this earphone, the more the punchy the bass you will get, the more tighter the bass you will get. So the bass production is not a joke from this earphone. It is really of high standards. So consider this if you are a bass lover and you love to listen to high bass production sounds. So this will be a really good sound producing earphone in that case. And also this earphone also has a dedicated gaming mode. The gaming mode is for gamers who are actually using earphones while playing their games or interacting with games. So this is having a low latency up to 119 milliseconds, and I have used it personally on Call of Duty. I've played certain games, and the latency is really low. It is actually super low latency. Whenever you're interacting with your device and you're clicking certain buttons, you immediately can feel that on this earphone there is absolutely no delay. Being it on a Bluetooth 5, still there is a wireless connectivity, but still it is as good as a wired earphone. So I've tried that myself, and it is really good. I absolutely support that in case of 119 milliseconds of low latency. And that's it. So in the cost of around 2,999, you're actually getting all these set of features which is actually given in a very high valued earphones. So I will highly recommend this. In case if you're looking in for a genuinely good level of earphone, high production value earphones, you can absolutely consider this as a purchase decision, because you will not be dissatisfied with this. So guys, this earphone comes with a dedicated app also. You can install this app from Android Play Store. This app is not available on iOS as of yet, but I think Realme would be thinking over it, and they will be soon bringing that app on iOS itself also. And this is called as a Realme Link app. So actually this app is nothing but it tunes the earphone further ahead, like the module of control which are present on the earphone on your right module. So you can further have a dedicated in-depth control over this module. The volume plus and minus keys, and also the main key which is present on this module. you can further tune it ahead. Like you can have a dedicated function as per your choice. You can align those functions with this module of dedicated buttons. And also the active noise cancellation button, you can actually play with this button also, and you can keep certain set of dedicated features on this active noise cancellation button also. So you can tune this everything in that Realme Link app, so you can download that easily on Play Store. And also apart from that, the parameters of active noise cancellation, you can actually see that in function. Whenever you press the button of active noise cancellation, it shifts, and the shift you can actually see it on the Realme Link app. Like if you press it for one time, it will be going into the active noise cancellation mode. If you press it again, it will be coming onto the transparency mode, and if you press it one more time, it will be on the normal or the general mode. So you can actually see that fluctuating in this Realme Link app. So from that you come to know. And also there is an audio tune inside the earphones also, which you hear whenever you're trying to change the active noise cancellation mode to any other mode. So from there you can see the feedback on the Realme Link app, and also you can hear it in your ears. So they have made this app really well. So guys, that's it. This was regarding this video regarding Realme Buds Wireless Pro. And if you like the video, you know the regular drill. Thumbs would be appreciated if you like the video. Subs would be appreciated if you love the video. And do follow me on my Instagram ID. I'm leaving a Instagram ID over here, and you can address all your concerns, all your doubts and all your queries in the comment section below. And also you can ask me on my Instagram ID, so I'll be addressing all those questions over there. And I hope you like the video, and stay tuned till the next one. Press the bell icon so that you stay attuned with my channel on the upcoming videos. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.